Good morning, student of class 4. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the chapter number 4, the internet web browser. Okay, chapter number 4, the internet web browser. So let's start. This is the syllabus of the first term examination, and I have already completed chapter number 1 and 3. And today I am going to continue the chapter number 4, the internet web browser. Okay. This is the content of this chapter. In my previous video I already have discussed up to URL. Okay, and today I am going to discuss a short topic but very important topic: accessing a web page using a browser. Okay, accessing a web page using a browser. So move on to the topic. So when we want to access an web page, we need a web browser. Okay, we all know that there are different types of web browser are available, like Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, Microsoft Explorer, etc. Okay, so in this chapter we look at the general features of a web browser using the example of Google Chrome. Okay, so first is how to start Google Chrome or how to open Google Chrome. Okay, so method number 1 is type Google Chrome in the search box. Next, to start button, open it, then click Google Chrome option. Okay, here you can see we need to write the Google Chrome in the search box. Okay, we need to write the Google Chrome in the search box. Next, you can see the Google Chrome application in the suggestion list. Okay, so you need to double click on the Google Chrome application. Okay, when you double click on the Google Chrome application, the Google Chrome web browser will be open. Okay, so basically very simple steps. You need to write the Google Chrome in the search box. Okay, you need to write the Google Chrome in the search box, then click on the Google Chrome app from the suggestion list. Okay, your Google Chrome browser will be open. Next is method 2, double click on the Google Chrome icon on the desktop. Okay, so this is the icon of a Google Chrome. Okay, so you need to double click on the Google Chrome icon and your browser will be open. Okay, so these are the two methods to open Google Chrome web browser. Next is components of Google Chrome. So there are different types of component like address bar, back button, forward button, refresh button, bookmark, etc. Now I am going to discuss the components of Google Chrome window. So this is the Google Chrome window. Okay, so this is the Google Chrome window. When you open the Google Chrome web browser, this window will be open. Okay, now the first component is address bar. Okay, here you can see this is the address bar, https www.google.com. okay, so this is the address bar. The address bar appears at the top of the web browser window. Okay, this is the address bar and this is appears at the top of the browser window. The URL of the website entered in the address bar. Okay, so when you want to search any web address, you need to write the web address in the web address bar. Okay, next is after entering the URL, press the enter to access the website. Okay, after entering the web address, you need to press the enter key to access the website. The website appears in the browser window. Okay, here you can see in the address bar, um, the entered address is google.com and this is the Google website which is appears in the browser window. Okay, next is back button. Okay, this is the back button. Here you can see the back button. Mainly the back button is used to view the previous visited web page. Okay, back button is used to view the previous visited web pages. Next is forward button. This is the forward button. Okay, so this button is active only when we have used the back button. it is used to view the page that was active before we have used the back button. Okay, so the main uses of a forward button is to view the page that was active before we have used the back button. Okay, next is refresh button. Here you can see the refresh button is here. Okay, so the refresh button is used to reload the web page and display the most recent and updated version of the web page. Next is bookmark. Here you can see the bookmark icon is here. Okay, so bookmark is very important. The option is used to save the URL or address of a current active web page. Okay, so when we need to save an URL or any website, then we need to press this icon. Okay, this is bookmark icon. This will help us to visit it later. If we like a website, then it want uh, add it to the list of the bookmark website. Okay, and you need to follow some steps to add bookmarks. Okay, so first of all, you need to click on this button. Okay, you need to click on this button. Here you can see, click on the bookmark button. Number one step, click on the bookmark button. The bookmark add dialog box will be appeared. Okay, this is the bookmark add dialog box. Okay, then the name of the website in the display in the name box. Okay, so this is the name of the website which you want to add in the bookmark list. Okay, next we can change the name of the website as per our wish and click done. So we can easily change the name of the web address. Okay, next we can open the bookmark website by clicking the customize and control Google Chrome button. These three buttons are there. Okay, here you can see these three button. Okay, these three button in the web browser window, we need to click on this three button. Next, to extreme right of the corner as shown in the figure on the page, on the next page. So when we click on this three dot line, okay, three dot line, this menu will be open. Okay, this menu will be open. So here you can see the bookmarks history downloads, then bookmarks. All of you need to click on the bookmarks option, then you can see the list of the bookmarks. Okay, here you can see Google, next NASA Kids Club. Okay, so this is the list of the bookmarks, added bookmarks. Okay, next is history option. So this the history option display the list of the web pages visit in the past few weeks. To open the history, follow the steps. First of all, you need to click on the customize and control Google Home triple click button, sorry, triple dot button. Okay, if you want to open the history, then you need to click on the three dot button. Okay, then click on the history, and again on the history option, the history of the website visited by us in the past can be seen in the new tab as shown here. Okay, so basically same process like bookmark. Okay, you need to click on this dotted button. Okay, then you can see the menu is appear. Okay, then you need to click on the history option, then you need to click on once again, you need to click on the history option. Then in the browser window, you will see the all the history of the visited websites by us. Okay, so next is home button. Okay, next is home button. So this is the home button. Okay, here you can see this is the home button, back button, forward button, refresh button, then it is home button. So home button is used to display the home page of the browser. Okay, home button is used to display the home page of the browser. We can easily set the home page of the browser according to our choice or preference. Okay, usually websites that we often visit can be set as the home page. The steps to setting a home page, we need to follow some steps. Okay, first of all, number one step is click on the customize and control Google Chrome button. Okay, so this three dotted button, we need to click on this three dotted button. Next, choose the setting option. Okay, choose the setting option. In the setting page gets open in the new tab. Here you can see the setting tab will be open. Okay, the setting tab will be open. Then drag the show button. Okay, then drag the show button, show home button slider toward the right to enable it, and then type the URL of the website to be set as home page. Okay, so first of all, you need to click on this three button, then click on the setting option. Okay, then you the setting menu will be opened in another tab. Then you need to click on this slider to show the home button. Okay, slider to show the home button. Then you need to type the URL here. Okay, as per your choice, you need to type the URL here. Then your home page will be saved. A home button appears next to the forward button in the browser window. Okay, so here you can see the home button is here next to the forward button. Okay, so when we click this button, the web pages of the website set as the home page get display. Okay, so this is the basic process or steps to be followed to set a home page in the web browser. Okay, so main these are the main components of a web browser, and we need to know each and every components, uses of each and every components. Okay, and all of you need to read these components very carefully. Okay, so today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will discuss the searching information using the search engine. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.